happy he'll come down with you.
Did she just say yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh. If that snow got in your pants, that's
I'm
gotta be
taking
freaking
video.
freezing.
Say hi, all
We
deep
need
in the
some bourbon to
snow.
keep us warm now.
She's standing up, by the way. See, I'm
Joe
standing
would
in the
like that.
snow.
The eggnog with a bunch of different liquors in it.
I'm videoing.
Oh, sorry.
I have some in there. I want a glass.
Huh?
Pennsylvania Dutch eggnog. You ever have
Dutch
any?
eggnog?
Yes, Pennsylvania Dutch eggnog. You ever have it from the liquor store?
Oh, it's like pre-made?
Throw some snow at him.
Scott,
Throw
okay.
some at him.
Nice.
It's good stuff.
Do it.
I'll have
Do
to
it
try
back.
some of that
It's like
later.
water.
Fill around.
Cool. She said cool.
Keep it up.
Baby, stick your tongue out.
It's really good stuff.
She is. She's gone.
I mean, I buy like bottle.
It's warmer this snow than it was last time, I think.
It is warmer. It's not windy.
Yeah. There's not that much snow on the limbs, though. I'm surprised.
She's totally chilling, sitting in the
Yeah,
snow.
She's fine.
Well, I'm sure it's like a big cushion.
She's not even sitting. She's like standing.
Oh, her.
Say hi. She's waving at you. Say thanks, Joe, for the path.
Oh, is that a voice?